Many new gardeners fill raised beds to the top with pure compost, thinking it's the best way to grow healthy plants. But by mid-season, the soil sinks dramatically, sometimes by half. Compost is light and breaks down quickly, releasing nutrients all at once, then leaving little behind. This causes a nutrient crash just when your plants need it most. Roots become cramped, and you're left constantly topping up the bed with more compost. The soil structure stays weak, and the cycle repeats, costly and labour-intensive. Instead of building a self-sustaining system, you're stuck in a loop of adding amendments. There's a better, more natural way to create lasting, healthy soil. Let's look at how the Amish do it differently. The Amish build soil by imitating nature, not by chasing quick fixes. They layer materials that decompose slowly, twigs, leaves, even small logs, creating a stable, long-lasting foundation. Think of compost as kindling and woody materials as logs. One burns fast, the other smoulders for seasons. This method provides steady nutrients and keeps soil levels stable year after year. The carbon-rich layer acts like a sponge, holding water and creating air pockets for healthy roots. It's less work over time, just a simple top dressing each year, not a full refill. By building beds in autumn, you let winter weather settle and start breaking down the layers for you. The result? A self-sustaining system that gets better with age. Patience pays off in a thriving, resilient garden. Building an Amish-style bed is simple and uses what you have on hand. In autumn, start with the base of your own native soil, about 3 inches deep. This connects your bed to the earth, inviting beneficial microbes and worms. Next, add 6 inches of carbon-rich material, twigs, leaves, wood chips, or small logs. This layer holds water, creates air pockets, and breaks down slowly to feed the soil. On top, add 2 inches of good compost for immediate nutrients. Water thoroughly to settle the layers. Finish with a 1-inch mulch layer, shredded leaves or straw, to protect the bed over winter. By spring, you'll have a living, layered soil ready for planting. It's nature's blueprint for a healthy garden. The beauty of this layered bed is how it improves over time. The native soil anchors roots, the carbon layer stores water and nutrients, and the compost gives an early boost. Mycorrhizal fungi break down woody material, delivering nutrients to plants all season. Water is managed naturally, soaked up during rain, released during drought. Mulch reduces evaporation and protects soil life. Building in autumn means your bed is ready to plant earlier in spring. You get a longer growing season and healthier, more resilient plants. Less watering, less work, and better harvests year after year. That's the power of working with nature's timing. Maintaining this bed is easy. Never dig or till, just add new layers each autumn. Top up with 1 inch of carbon-rich material and 1 inch of compost, then mulch. This mimics a forest floor, feeding the soil from the top down. Earthworms and microbes do the rest, improving structure and fertility. Focus on feeding the soil, not just the plants, and the ecosystem will take care of itself. You become a steward, not just a gardener, building richer soil every year. The Amish method is about patience, observation, and respect for nature's processes. Layer by layer, you create soil that sustains abundant harvests for years to come.